Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we'll be dealing with Python strings. So what is a string? A string is a sequence of characters and strings will be enclosed within double quotes or single quotes in Python. For example, this is a string and this is also a string in Python. In other programming languages, we have a data type called character in which there will be a string of length 1. In Python, we don't have a character data type. Instead, a character will also be considered as a string with length is equal to 1. So now let us see an example of a string. For example, S is equal to hello world. This is a string and the characters of a string will be accessed using the index position. So in the string hello world, this is the string S, and if we want to access a separate character or a sequence of characters from the string, we will be accessing it using the index position. So index position starts from 0 and the ending index will be n-1, where n is the length of the string. So in this given string hello world, the length of the string will be 11, and so the ending index, that is the index of the last character, will be n-1, which is 11 minus 1, which is equal to 10. So it will be represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. For example, if I want to access the character W from the string, I have to access it as S square bracket 6. So this will give the value as W. Now let us see a simple code for this. I am having a string S as hello world and I want to access the character W. So for that I have to print it as S bracket 6. So here I got the output as W, and now we have something called multi-line strings. Multi-line strings will be enclosed within triple double quotes. So let me take a string as st is equal to, and I want to print it as I am a Python developer. This is how we represent the multi-line strings. So it is I am a, and the next line I'll give it as Python developer. If I give it inside a double quote, for example, if I'm having the string as hello and in the next line I want to print world, this is not possible as it is inside single double quotes. Since I want to give the string in more than one line, I am enclosing it within triple double quotes, or it can also be given as st2 is equal to, and inside single quotes, I am a Python developer. So now let us check what is the error. This will be an error since we gave it in double lines. And now I'll print both st and st2. So here we got it as I am a Python developer and I am a Python developer. But the print statement for S of 6 is not getting executed. Let me check why. Okay, so here there are 2 space. I'll reduce 1 space and then execute it. And yeah, now we got the 6th position of the string S. And now let us see what is negative indexing. This same string hello world also has a negative index. Negative indexing starts from the last, so it will start from D, and negative index starts from -1, so it is -1, this is -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10 and -11. So to access this using the negative index, it is the same procedure. Let us try to access this same character W from the string. I'll remove this and I'll print. The negative index of W is -5, so I'll print S -5, and it is the same character W. This is all with the string and the accessing of characters of a string. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. In the next video, we'll be dealing with more topics from the string concept. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.